Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we talked yesterday about how we needed to test the daily mid-band. The daily mid-band is held. We're back up to the 9-day. We're testing that price from underneath. Yesterday was basically just back and forth. They tried to take it down. On news, they couldn't really take it past. We had a big dip in the morning down to 0675. They almost immediately rejected that. They did immediately reject it, and they brought it back up and through. They ended up closing it on the high. So it was an upward leaning day, a day that did not take out in the regular session the Globex low of 34.02 half. So you've got support here at the hourly mid-band, and you got to lift off the lows, and you're actually making higher highs versus Wednesday. So 34.58, 34, what is that, 62? So the opportunity to continue to bleed higher up into weekly pivot is pretty good. And unless the bears step in and do something about it, that's my basic expectation. The news flow, back and forth, deal or no deal, and most of it is the belief that there's going to be a deal is resonating with the tape more than the rhetoric that there's not going to be a deal. So it's kind of the heart and the head. The heart wants a deal. The head says probably not. I'll be interested to see how this all pans out. But for now, just focusing on price. You have hourly mid-band support here yesterday afternoon and tested again in Globex. So as long as we're above 50, we can seek 79.80. The 9-day is right here at 34.58, and that's going to be important. Convert the 9-day after converting the hourly mid-band. Then, like I said, unless you get a piece of news that knocks it on its head, you lift on a Friday into that weekly pivot. If the bears get news that knocks it down, step one, convert the hourly mid-band. Step two, get back down to the daily mid-band, the 20-day simple moving average, which you guys, bears have given up since the test on early Globex Thursday. If somehow you can close below the daily mid-band today, bears, that would be a big deal for you. I said yesterday the number one question I wanted answered is what side of the daily mid-band we were going to close over. It was in doubt for about 10 minutes. They hold. So this continues to be a buy dips market. Remember, that daily mid-band, that 20-day simple moving average, is my baseline assumption. Are we in a buy dips tape or a sell rallies tape? As long as we live above that 20-day, we remain in a buy dips tape. All right, that's all I've got for today. Just real quickly, you got VWAP at 52. That's sitting just above the hourly mid at 50. Proprietary moving average, 57.25. We talked about the 9-day and we talked about the 20. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Take care. Be safe, be healthy, trade them well. I'll talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.